Welcome to Fentor. The other day on a trip to Sunny Hunny with David, there was a beautiful GSX1400 parked. There was me on the Harley, and yet I was feeling very sad because one or two of you have asked, where's the 1400? Today's the day for the Suzuki. They're regularly and well used GS and Harley. I've just got out the garage the poor old Suzuki. Why haven't I ridden it? Well, it got a misfire last year, as you've seen on my previous video, and it's just resided in the garage. I love it. It feels so light, actually, wheeling it out after wheeling out the Harley earlier to get to the Suzuki. And it will run. So it runs, but as you can hear, that's tickover. It is not a happy bunny. So being picked up this afternoon by a guy called Paul Nobbs, who knows about Suzukis, and hopefully be running as sweet can be. It's going to have a really good thorough go through everything, check everything's tip top, fresh MOT. It's already got the tax and insurance, so once that's sorted in a couple of weeks, I should be back on the road on the Suzuki. So I'm looking forward to that. The huge power that this bike has makes the Harley and the GS feel a bit sluggish, to be honest. After 18 years of ownership, the Suzuki only truly deserves to be ridden, and I miss him. Thanks for watching Fentor. See you very soon. Bye bye.